I promise you guys, this will be the last ice cream I'm going to make this summer. But you see this one, you are going to love it. Watch to the end and also help me to share. To start with, you need custard or cornstarch. Anyone, maybe a camel self. I don't know how to call this thing again. So you're going to make it the same way you make your regular akamu, but it's not going to be thick. Okay, make it very light. You can see I cook it gently on the stove. So once I'm done, I'm going to turn off the heat of the stove. I added 1 spoon of butter, and then I'm going to mix it up together nicely. If you have constant light at home, there's no point of you buying ice cream. You can make it and leave it in the freezer. So I set it aside. Next, I added 1.5 cup of powdered milk, and then I went in with hot water on it. Mix it until it dissolves properly. So once I'm done mixing up, next I'm going to go in with the akamu that I made, and then I mix gently until I add all the akamu on it. And then once I'm done, I'm going to sieve it because we don't want to be seeing molds on the ice cream. So I use my sieve to sieve it out gently. I remove the leftover akamu that didn't dissolve. I set aside. Next, you need whipping cream. But this whipping cream here is optional. If you don't have whipping cream, use sugar. So I have whipping cream at home, so there's no point of me making use of sugar. But if you don't have whipping cream, just go ahead to add sugar on your akamo and the milk that you have already made, and then that is it. But you see, this whipping cream is going to take it to another level. So I added water on it, mix it until it becomes thick, and then transfer the mixture into it like this, and then mix it again gently. So once I'm done mixing it, guys, this is how it looks. I feel like to drink it now, guys. So next, I separated it because I don't want the ice cream to have one color. And then I added some colors on it and then mix it gently. See how beautiful this yellow color is. And then for the next one, I'm going to be adding my chocolate on it. Remember, I posted a video on how to make chocolate at home. So I added 2 tablespoons, mix it gently until it dissolves into it like this. And then now I'll start to tie my ice cream. It is that simple. If you have kids at home, no dey spend money too much. You can make this within 30 to 40 minutes, you are done with it. I tie it like this, and then I put it in the fridge, allow it to stay for about 10 hours or more, and then that is it. So guys, take a look at this. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Trust me, you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, please help me to share. Bye.